Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Huawei Pura 70 Pro just launched before a few days ago. Fast refresh rate, LTPO OLED display, superb in design, flagship grade camera, good battery life, fast charging and many more. Today I'm going to share the review of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro along with a camera comparison with the S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro comes in a classic box. When you look at the phone's design, both the front and back are slightly curved. The screen has curved edges on all four sides, giving the phone a premium look. It comes in a unique purple color. The back of the phone is made of glass, and when you change the angle of the phone in the light, you can see reflections. The back also has matte textures, which not only look good, but also make it comfortable to hold in hand. This time, the camera module on the phone has a different shape. It's triangular. At first glance, it might seem a bit odd, but after getting used to it, it will appear unique. Speaking about the display of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, it boasts a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. It has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The screen reaches a maximum manual brightness of 619 nits and up to 1572 nits in auto mode, so visibility in sunlight is quite good. The display on the phone is impressive. For display protection, Kunlun glass has been used. The phone also comes with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. It weighs about 222 grams and has a thickness of 8.4 millimeters. Overall, the Pura 70 Pro looks quite attractive. This time, Huawei has renamed its P series to the Pura series. Generally, Huawei's P series has been camera-centric, so we can expect impressive camera capabilities in this Pura series as well. When we look at the camera specs, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro and Pura 70 Pro Plus have almost similar camera specifications. The only difference is that the Ultra variant gets upgrades in the telephoto and ultra-wide-angle cameras. However, even the Pro version boasts a very good camera setup, and it's cost-effective too. Now, let's compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Generally, photos from iPhones and Samsung devices offer a more natural look without the kind of optimization seen in Vivo or Oppo photos. Let's compare it with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this image, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro provides a higher contrast ratio and produces a transparent picture. However, Apple and Samsung's photos offer good detail, and their white balance looks natural. In Apple and Samsung photos, the white balance is more accurate, while Huawei's photos tend to have a slight magenta tint, but overall the picture appears whiter. You can see more detail in the main camera, especially in street photos. When comparing Huawei to Apple and Samsung, Huawei tends to provide more detail. Now, looking at the ultra-wide-angle photos, in this image, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro and S24 Ultra offer normal photos. Apple's photo appears whiter with more brightness in the shadows. Compared to Samsung, Huawei provides slightly more detail, perhaps due to its better algorithm. Both photos are stronger compared to Apple's. Now, let's look at the telephoto shots. In comparison among the three phones, Samsung provides the best photo with higher saturation and brighter bronze color in the statue. However, some details are missing. Compared to Apple, Huawei offers a better photo. In this photo, you can see more detail when zooming in on the S24 Ultra. Overall, in terms of camera, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro falls into the mid-category within the Pura series. If we were to compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the S24 Ultra, the results might be different. And I'll soon be bringing the camera comparison of the Pura 70 Ultra with the S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, subscribe to our channel and join our tech team to watch the video first. Meanwhile, you can see these sample photos. This one is a telephoto macro shot. Macro shots turn out quite well, with good detail. You can check out the rest of the sample photos. Now, let's talk about the performance of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro. The phone is equipped with a Kirin 9010 octa-core processor built on a 7nm platform. Here you can see the Antutu score, which goes up to 970,845. This puts the score between the Snapdragon 888 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. When playing League of Legends for 30 minutes at 60 frames per second, the average frame rate reaches up to 60.1 frames per second. The highest temperature during the game is around 35.6 degrees Celsius, indicated in the upper right corner. Similarly, while playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes at 60 frames per second, the average frame rate also reaches up to 60 frames per second. During gaming, the highest temperature is indicated in the upper left corner at the front, reaching up to about 39.4 degrees Celsius. Also, League of Legends supports 60 frames per second on other phones, and so does Genshin Impact. However, here, the use of interpolated frames is employed because unnatural frames are added to the screen. Because the native frame rate isn't stable, you might notice significant changes in picture quality. This can lead to obvious shuddering issues on the screen. If you want to play heavy games like Genshin Impact on this phone, you won't get a smooth performance. The game may run, but the gaming experience won't be good. However, there might be some improvement in performance after system updates. On the bright side, the battery life of this phone is outstanding. You get a 5050 mAh battery, and even after 1 hour and 30 minutes of heavy use, the battery remains at around 80%. The phone supports 100W wired charging, and the charger comes with dual ports, one for Type A and the other for Type C. However, you can't use both ports simultaneously. Additionally, the phone supports 80W wireless charging. Talking about the operating system, it runs on HarmonyOS 4.2, which provides smooth animations and a seamless user experience during routine use. The UI is more advanced this time, and the fingerprint area is slightly larger, but its placement is a bit lower. Speaking of the price of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, the base variant starts at 64.99 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £720 in the UK or $900 in the US. If you're looking for an affordable option within the Pura series, you can opt for the Pura 70 Pro instead of the Pura 70 Pro Plus. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos, well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.